Hello everyone, I'm Ariana and welcome back to my channel. I have not done my makeup on camera in a long time. I've been doing a lot of Project Pan videos. I did like a declutter video. I'm gonna be doing a makeup inventory video soon. I'm actually gonna film that right after I film this one, I think. But since I have not done my makeup on camera in a while, I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. And I'm gonna be using a couple of different palettes today. One that I'm gonna be panning for the year and the other that I have not used in a while. So without further ado, let's just do it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Too Faced primer, Too Faced Shadow Insurance primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Modern Renaissance palette and I'm gonna take the shade Golden Ochre right here and I'm just gonna set that primer, and just very lightly. I'm not gonna do too much because I'm gonna be putting some more colors down. Can you even see what's going on here? That's a little bit better. Okay, and next I'm gonna go into this purple shade here called Bon Fresco. And I'm just going to use this as like my transition shade in the crease. The shade has quickly become one of my favorites in the palette, at least for now. I really like it. Okay. And I think I'm done with that shade for now, or excuse me, I'm done with this palette for now. I'm gonna put that to the side. And next I'm gonna go into my Pat McGrath La Vie en Rose palette. I'm coming in here for this matte plum shade, and I'm just gonna kind of play around with that one. I'm gonna start off with it just packing it on the lid and blending it into the crease on the outside. When I first reviewed this palette, or when I first did my 3 looks 1 palette with this, I felt like this purple shade blended really weirdly, but it doesn't do that anymore. So I don't know, I think it was just my eyeshadow primer at that time. Because this palette has done nothing but wonders for me ever since then. So yeah. And now I'm going to take this more of a tapered kind of brush, and I'm going to take that same plum color and I'm going to pack it on a little bit more right here on the outside. Ooh, that looks beautiful. I love this plum. I love purple in general, but this plum shade is just so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I just love the way this looks right now. I'm very happy with it. And I think now this looks pretty blended to me. I'm gonna go back into my Modern Renaissance palette, into Bon Fresco, and I'm just gonna take the brush that the palette comes with and I'm gonna run that right along my lower lash line. Oh, this is just so uncomfortable. I hate doing this. Okay, and now going back into Pat McGrath with this shade one more time, and I'm gonna deepen it up as much as I can right here on the outer edge. I think that looks so fun. Okay, I'm gonna add some liner. The liner would also look really good if you decided to put it in your waterline. I put liner on my lower lash line because my eyes are very, very, very sensitive, and putting anything in my waterline is just a disaster waiting to happen. My eyes are gonna tear up and get really irritated if I do that. So yeah, do that if that's what you like, and don't if you don't. Okay, and I think that looks really pretty, so I still want to add a little bit more liner. I want to add this glitter liner, and oh, this is not the one I wanted. Okay, this is the one I wanted. This is the Tarteist Pro Liner in the shade Champagne. It's a little mini one. It's so cute. I honestly didn't know that the shade was called Champagne. It doesn't seem like much of a champagne to me. It seems a bit more cool tone. But anyway, I'm going to align right up here on my eye, on my eyelid. I love to do that. It's such a simple and easy way to kind of vamp up any makeup look. Anytime your makeup looks basic, just do this and you're gonna look like a pro. Okay, that looks good to me. And I put a little bit of this lavender shimmer shade right here on the inner corners. And I think that is gonna be it for the eye look. I'm pretty much done with that. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. Okay, and now that I'm all done with my eyes, I'm just going to top everything off with this e.l.f. HD highlighting powder, or this highlighting HD powder, whatever, in the shade Starlight Glow. And I'm going to top everything off with a cool toned nude lip and a bit of gloss. And I'm all done. Thank you if you made it to the end of this video. Leave something really nice in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in my content, and like this video if you want to see more like this one. I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!